Hi there, my name's Craig Roberts and today I'm introducing you to the Techtron EVP3 Portable Charger. If you've not purchased one of these yet, let me show you why the Techtron EVP Charger might be perfect for you. So inside again we have another box, very well packed, very sturdy. So this EVP Portable Charger also comes with a full warranty. To get your warranty, what you need to do is go onto the Techtron website, put in your warranty number, which is here, and you'll get a full Techtron warranty which will cover you for any faults, which there won't be, but if there is, peace of mind, you know you're covered. Wow. So here you can have your Techtron EVP3 charger. This is a very sturdy box that will be protected in your boot of the vehicle, wherever you're carrying it about from, wherever you're moving it. This, you know, everything fits in here. Very easy to transport about. As you can see, this one is obviously brand new, so it's got all its cellophane, all its wrapping on. It comes with an instruction booklet that tells you, you know, virtually everything that you need to do. But that's all boring at the moment, so we'll leave that to one side. What you really want to see is this. Now check this out. So as you can see, the product's here. I'm going to take it out and put it onto the table. Move this over here so we can see the products. As you can see, it comes naturally 3-pin plug, fits into any standard UK socket. Here is your charging module where you can see the performance of the charge. You can see obviously the different elements as the car's charging to let you know that the vehicle is now at what capacity. And then you have your charging plug, which will allow you to plug this into any charging vehicle. So as you can see, the Techtron charger, a very sturdy bit of kit. You can also download an app for your phone, so you don't have to go outside and check the display to let you know when your car is fully charged. Your app will let you know that what percentage you've got left. Now remember, this is not your main use of charging point. This is something that you can carry in your vehicle, use it safely when you're needing to charge. You can put, you know, you've got a long cable, you can pin this anywhere, get them extra miles on your tank for when you most need them. I would not recommend you plugging this into an extension cable because that will then trickle the speed. This needs to go into a direct plug socket to get maximum power, but you will find you will get good mileage in a quick amount of time, safely, easier, and you know, it's just a lovely bit of kit. I just don't know what to say. I've got one myself and I'd recommend everyone have one in your car for that moment of need. We all sometimes have a bit of mileage where, oh, I need some more, or you're going somewhere, you're worried, can I get back? This is what you need to make that happen. So make sure you've got one of these in your car, in your boot, and yeah, thanks for watching. Drive safely and charge your car.